If you're serious about solar power or home backup in 2026, you need to see this. High voltage. Today, we're breaking down the best 48V100Ah ECO-WORTHY batteries that can power your entire home, cut your energy bills, and keep you running during outages. From smart Bluetooth features to massive 10 kWh storage, let's find the perfect battery for you. Product 1: ECO-WORTHY Cubix 100 48V100Ah 5120WH. This is one of the most reliable server rack batteries for solar systems and home backup in the US. With 5120WH capacity and Bluetooth monitoring, you can track performance in real time. Pros: UL 1973 and UL 9540A certified, high safety standard. Bluetooth smart monitoring. Long lifespan, 4,000 plus cycles. Perfect for solar and off-grid systems. Cons: premium price. Requires proper inverter setup. Customer review. Users love its stability and easy integration with solar setups. Many US homeowners say it performs during power outages. Best for homeowners, solar users, off-grid living. Product 2: HUMSI NK48V100Ah ECO-WORTHY battery, Bluetooth, 3U rack. This battery stands out with BYD cells and active balancing technology, meaning longer life and better performance. Pros: 15,000 plus deep cycles, extremely durable. Active balancing equals better efficiency. Bluetooth monitoring. Strong 100A BMS protection. Cons: slightly heavy. Brand less known than competitors. Customer review. Buyers in the US say it's super long-lasting and great for off-grid cabins and RV setups. Best for off-grid users, RV owners, long-term investment. Product 3: 48V100Ah ECO-WORTHY battery, Smart Display Plus app. If you want something more user-friendly, this battery includes a touchscreen display and mobile app control. Pros: built-in smart display. Mobile app monitoring. 4800W power output. Compact and easy to use. Cons: lower cycle life, 5,000 cycles. Display may feel basic. Customer review. Customers love the simplicity, especially beginners in solar energy. Easy setup and smooth performance. Best for beginners, home backup, small solar systems. Product 4: ECO-WORTHY 48V200Ah 10.24 kWh Power Beast. This is basically double power, perfect for large homes or serious energy storage. Pros: massive 10.24 kWh capacity. Same trusted ECO-WORTHY quality. Ideal for whole home backup. Expandable system. Cons: expensive upfront. Requires space and proper setup. Customer review. US users say this is a game changer for full home backup, especially during long outages. Backhand index pointing right, best for large homes, full backup systems, heavy power users. Why you should buy these batteries? If you live in the US and deal with power outages, rising electricity costs, or want energy independence, these batteries are a smart investment. Heavy checkmark: save money on electricity. Heavy checkmark: power your home during blackouts. Heavy checkmark: perfect for solar systems. Heavy checkmark: eco-friendly energy solution. Used by homeowners, RV travelers, off-grid living enthusiasts, solar energy users. CTA. If you want reliable power, lower bills, and peace of mind. These are some of the best ECO-WORTHY batteries in 2026. Check the links in the description to find the best deals on Amazon right now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest tech reviews.